Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just unboxed a huge, big box of shoes. What am I going to make from it? You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so I just unboxed this huge case of shoes, and as you can see, the case is that size. It had 39 separate pairs of shoes in it. Lots of multiples though, which I totally love, which means I'm making one listing and just putting various different sizes. If you see any of these shoes that you like, shoot me a message. If you haven't seen the full unboxing that I did before this, where I showed you each and everything individually so you can see everything and the condition it's in, check that out. I'll tag it at the end of this video. So what am I going to do with all of these shoes? I'm going to give you the number of what I think I can make at the end of this video, but something I want you to be aware of is it's shocking how many pairs of these shoes you can actually find on the Amazon platform. And so I will look them up. Usually some of the ones I get in the bulk boxes I can't find by the UPC, which is the barcode. And so I'll look it up by the title of the shoe. And bulk is really good about sending a manifest, and you can look up the title and find it that way. I'm going to sell it for an awesome price on Amazon, but sometimes some of the shoes I find are on there, but there's no sales rank. So generally I don't send it in if it doesn't have a sales rank, or if the sales rank is way high, like in the millions, because it's going to sit there forever and I'm going to end up having to pay fees. And so Poshmark has been probably the best platform for me to move shoes. Now, granted, I can't make as much money on the Poshmark app as I can on Amazon. So that's why I kind of prioritize. If I can put it on Amazon, I do. But if I feel like it's going to sit there at the warehouse, or it has no sales rank, or it's not on the Amazon platform, I sell it on Poshmark. And so Poshmark is kind of the avenue that most of these shoes will go on. But if I can put them on Amazon, I do. So those are the kind of the places I put up. You can list shoes on eBay. I just haven't had as good a luck, but I'm not as much of a fan of putting clothing items on eBay as I am on Poshmark. So let's get into the numbers and what I think I can make on these various different types of stiletto shoes and cute looking boots. And I have a lot of really cute kids shoes this time, which I'm excited about, and fun slippers and things like that. And all those shoes behind this table are also from this box. So it was a bulk.com case. It retails for what they say $1,119. And the retail number is the number that basically when it was originally put on the department store shelves, that's what it was going to sell for. Obviously, as a reseller, you're not going to make that number, but it's a good number to look at to decide, was there even value in it to begin with? It's women's shoes. Uninspected returns is the condition. I paid $125, shipped it to me for $30. $465 was my tax I paid. $159.65. Each item was worth $4.09. I definitely think each one of these pairs of shoes is worth a little bit more than $4. And so I know I'm probably going to make all my money back, but how much profit am I going to make? And so when I went through each one of the 39 items in this box, I came up with a profit value of about $467, and that's a conservative number. And then once I take off my $159.65 that I paid for it, I feel like I can make $307.35, and that's after fees and after shipping. A lot of you ask that, and so I do take into consideration how much it's going to cost to ship it and how much it's going to cost for fees. So $307 is what I think I can make. $307.35 after the fees and after shipping. So I definitely think that I'm going to for sure double my money, get all my money back, plus make twice that. So there's money to be made in this. It's not going to take me long to post the 39 pairs of shoes because I've got lots of multiples and lots of duplicates, and all I have to do is just put in the different sizes. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how much can you actually make on a women's shoe box from bulk.com in the uninspected returns type of condition. Hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.